Ariva has become one of the most moving and beneficial computerized resources of this fall. The improvement group calls it a token for travelers. In this video, we mull over various market feelings on ARV, exchanging viewpoints and investigate different Ariva long-haul cost conjectures. How does Ariva function? Ariva is a BEP20 token produced utilizing Binance Chain Organization. The digital currency is centered around making a trip, to be more exact, on nearby and global the travel industry. Ariva is a venture that carries digital currency nearer to this present reality. Zeroing in on the travel industry, Ariva offers voyagers an extraordinary encounter of going all over the planet by furnishing a simple method for paying with cryptographic money. The objective of the Ariva group is to make a worldwide travel network that would permit sightseers both to spend digital currency, for instance, on booking convenience, and to get rewards. The last option is intended for the individuals who choose to share their movement encounters with others. The Ariva blockchain biological system comprises of 3 parts, every one of them are being developed at the hour of composing. Ariva.world. It is an entrance where crypto travelers can track down a reasonable proposition and pay for it. All that will be accessible on the release board: room reservations, vehicle rental administrations, guides for recruiting, and gifts for requesting. Ariva.finance. Friendliness organizations can coordinate Ariva.finance into their sites or applications, offering guests exchanges with insignificant expenses. With the assistance of the help, clients will actually want to make installments as simple as ABC, examine the QR code, and the assets will be credited to the dealer in a flash. Ariva.club. It is an interpersonal organization where wanderers can share their movement encounters and leave surveys about foundations. By sharing their impressions and content, notes, photographs, or recordings, sightseers will actually want to guarantee rewards. Source trust that by 2022, the ARV swapping scale can encounter a continuous increment. By the center of 2022, Ariva's cost might contact a degree of $0.0006. The cost of the ARV coin can slowly increment throughout the following years, arriving at the degree of $0.0025 in 2022. Experts consider that the Ariva crypto may turn into a productive venture. Ariva Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ariva costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ariva will be $0.00013882. The most extreme level that the ARV cost can reach is $0.00015442. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00014515. ARV value gauge for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Ariva toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ARV pace of $0.00013285 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.00012019 and at $0.00013664, separately. October 2022, Ariva Value Conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ARV cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.00012918, while the most extreme could reach $0.00014195 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Ariva may be around $0.00013550. ARV Value Conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Ariva in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ARV rate they foresee may be around $0.00014092 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.00013460 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.00014737. December 2022, Ariva Value Estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the ARV cost will be exchanged at $0.000145515 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ariva worth to $0.000154442. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.000138882 in December 2022. Ariva Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ariva in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ariva will be around $0.0001956. The greatest expected ARV cost might be around $0.000239558. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.000202886 in 2023. Ariva Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Ariva, in 2024, ARV is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.0002923.9 and $0.000341775, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.000300551. Ariva Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Ariva and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ARV cost could drop to $0.000411619, while its most extreme can reach $0.000497774. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.0004281. Ariva Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Ariva by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least ARV costs are normal in 2026, $0.000712822 and $0.000577009. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0.000598550. Ariva Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of Ariva. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ARV cost will be around $0.000861112. It could drop to at least